You know, I came hunting and it started pouring the rain, so I got drenched, and I came in this old barn thing, and it finally quit. So as soon as I get out, it starts pouring again. You could say I'm kinda mad about it. And not got that much of a view here. Go check the other side. I ain't going back out there. I ain't getting wet just to look. But about to fall in already. And can't really see, but there's a nest right here of some sort. Hold on a minute. And my brother came and something flew out of it. It built the nest pretty good. Oh, it built it over an L, that's why. No dover's nest over there, but you can't see it. It's too dark in here. Oh, I'm gonna be sick from this. Soaked. Gun got wet, so I gotta clean it with rim oil when I get back. And it's just not gonna stop raining. Well, at least I get to hear the rain on an old tin roof. No, you can't see that either, but right. Oh yeah, you can. Right there is a, where it started to build one. But, no, you can't see that. But there's the mill the other one was built on, so. There you go. This was the nest itself. This is part of it. It's just dirt and old dry grass. Well, we're 3 minutes and 20 seconds in. Probably put this one on YouTube as a bad hunting day. But I was gonna take the bow, but I had to leave it at my stand under the tarp, and I brought the guns because we're bad for coyotes and bear around here, so I definitely want to have something more than a razor pretty much to protect me. Referring to the broad tips, but if it ever quit raining, maybe I could see one. So yeah, this will be about a 10-minute video, maybe a little bit shorter or longer, I don't know. Depends on how long I want to talk. But yeah, you guys haven't seen me, so right here I am. I know I'm an ugly son of a gun, but oh well. Spider web, dude. It's huge. God almighty, this thing's big. Alright, it went from here all the way down to here and all the way up to here. So, there, to there, to there. I had to tear one down to get in here. There's a bunch of spider eggs. God almighty. That was a huge garter spider. Probably about this big around. Right, hanging right off that beam right here. So I took it off. Another thing is snakes in here. I mean, go up under there, through there. That's a coyote dig. I've killed a coyote here. Out of, like, pretty much, like, right there, I killed one. And we got a dead horse right here that we haven't shot yet. Coyotes picked it clean, birds picked it clean, so it's all gone. But next time the rain slacks off, I'm gonna head up to the house, because I'm getting sick of it. I'm 18, just turned 18. I know I don't look it, but just turned 18. So now I can legally do this. Little trusty grizzly wide cut. Started dipping about probably 13, 14. I started off on kayak, grape, and I got sick of grape, so I went to mint, and I finally started buying Longhorn mint. Then I got one of my friends to buy me Skull Wintergreen, and now I just fell in love with Wintergreen. I've been doing that for about 3 years probably. I went from Skull to Grizzly, and then I went to Copenhagen. Now I just do Copenhagen or Grizzly, whatever. I tried some Stokers the other day, and I like it, so I'll probably switch over to that. But that's not what this video is about. It's about a bad day hunting. People where I live say hunting, but on YouTube, I know people get offensive if you don't do the right thing, say it right, or whatever. But, yeah, it's a bad day hunting right here. At least I got dip, and that's about all I got right now. Oh, well, I guess I'm in this video. I'm gonna start having a schedule. I'll probably put videos up on Saturday, probably Wednesday. So Saturday and Wednesday, look forward to a new video. That's about all I got for today. Like, subscribe, peace out.